This September 2025 about software engineering. First, what is requirement analysis? Requirement analysis is very simple. Mm, the requirement analysis is the most important thing in software engineering. And for us, we are going to do define necessity. This is we are going to make 3D photo album camera, which has uh, a lot of filters. There's problem and stakeholders. When we later draw the diagram, we should define the actors. Then there's like two actors. One actor is uh, primary actor, and the other actor is responsive actor. Uh, Primary actor will be family member in this case, and there's expected impact, which is with the system family members will have an accessible and joyful way of sharing memory. So goal, we define our goal, which is primary objective is finding enable families to create and maintain a shared digital album where member can upload, view, and comment on photos in real time. Mm. So what I'm going to make is a photo bird memory. So making collective uh, family memory is kind of what we're thinking about. So basically, mm, privacy will be also important goal. And so problem definition will be we're going to make information system that is that visualize well and that makes families more close each other. The main function will be following. We define the main functions like uh, authentication, photo ingestion, privacy and access control, visualization, real-time collaboration and search filter, domination, moderation stuff. And what we should do is work breakdown structure. So for each of the ID, design, testing, documentation, how much should he have time? This kind of thing will be important. And for schedule, important milestones, there will be a proposal step and actually making things by the Gantt chart and role and responsibilities and so on. Later, what we are going to make is diagram, which is we need to validate it with the validation and there's system as I told you, and use case scenario. In use case scenario, there will be like this login function, and there is association and inclusion relationship, which is if you log in, then there will be definitely verifying password process exist. So this kind of thing is important thing. So there's relation, association relation, and aggregation relation, and generalization relation, and also uh, if we go more deep to the system requirement analysis, uh, in requirement analysis, the important thing could be, yeah, we should think about system lifecycle, requirement engineering, open both for interpretation and details. Details is important. Then design, implementation, testing, delivery, and functional requirement. There's functional requirement which will be sustainment of system, and non-functional requirement which will be time constraint of process development, reliability, response time, storage requirement, and so on, and device capability and system representation. Process requirement, this also can be included. And domain. Domain is requirement could be new functional requirement or constraint on existing requirement or define specific computation can be. And important thing is mutually exclusive and collectively exhaustive. Mm, yeah, based on it, we will make a use case diagram and a use case diagram can be like this, which is if they have some inclusion relationship, then it will be like we can give a diagram with this arrow, or there's another is this arrow. Mm, yeah, so clerk and manager, there's actor and also mm, there's actors and also some behaviors. So this was basically uh yeah what we will do now. We will also think about in my actual case, how can I develop some mm, how can I develop such ideas? Thank you. Thank you very much.